This is INFINIX Note 12 2023, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine. So let me do that real quick. Then once the app is ready, we can go ahead and launch it. In here, simply make sure that the timeout section was set at the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, your screen will not automatically go to sleep at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.